Hi there, welcome back to iTal Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you a yummy Jamaican pumpkin rice recipe. Simple, easy, filled with coconut milk. So let us get started. To get this pumpkin rice started, I decided I want to add some gungo peas in there because gungo rice tastes nice, and plus I'm going to be using white rice, which I don't use very often these days or any at all, but so I want to add some additional nutritional value. So the pumpkin and the peas will give that white rice an extra boost in nutrition. So I put some peas to soak, and then I'm gonna put them on the fire and let them cook before adding in anything else, Gonna cook them with some garlic and pimento seeds. So in the meantime, while the gungo peas are cooking, I'm guessing them are gonna take around 20 minutes to cook. We want them to be nice and tender. In the meantime, gonna be prepping this pumpkin. Gonna clean, peel. This vibrant vegetable pumpkin is such a versatile food that can be used in many dishes, from a seasoned pumpkin rice to delicious smoothies. And even though it is such a large vegetable, it grows in abundance on tiny vines. Stay tuned to the end of this recipe for more interesting facts about the pumpkin. Alright, so now I'm gonna wash this and then come back and the other ingredients I'll be adding to this pumpkin rice is some flavoring, some seasoning, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, maybe a little bit more garlic, some salt of course, and black pepper. So after the gungo peas cook, we'll come back and continue, right? And that is it for this one. I really hope that you enjoy this seasoned pumpkin rice dish. Give thanks. And now my friends over at IGROW Maryland will share some interesting facts about pumpkin. Check out their channel. They are an inspiration for me to grow what I eat and eat what I grow. Pumpkins and pollinators. Pumpkin flowers open early in the morning, attracting pollinators as soon as the sun is. The link to their channel is in the description box below. Thank you for joining me on iTal Kitchen. Eat well, walk good.